How to add the Gmail label widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on Widgets at the bottom. Next, we tap on Gmail, and then simply drag the Gmail label and place it on the home screen. Next, you need to select a folder for this label. So here I can choose display, say draft here. So we select the draft folder and then tap on done. Okay, so when you tap on draft, it will open up my Gmail with the draft folder. And that's it. So finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now with this Gmail label, you can select a particular folder. So that's it. After that, tap on the remove button if you no longer want to use the Gmail label. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.